Yes, 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 yes. It's been a minute because it's been crazy and busy and a little bit bananas. So I'm going to fill you in. All right. I'm going to fill you in because we got some work to do together. I need y'all. So stick around. Hey, 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 it's Laura Lachey. What do you say? Welcome back, fam bam. Mwah. Good to see y'all again. And for all of the newbies, you are welcome too. Don't stay new. Click, subscribe, join, become part of this beautiful fam bam, okay? All right, y'all. So I have been a little bit inconsistent because as I stated in one of my previous videos, we are in the process of moving. So we have sold our house. We closed this week. We are closing on the new to us home next week. And so it's just been bananas. Now, the reason I'm bringing you guys along today is because I have to pick out some flooring. So let me just get the backstory. With the new to us house, it's not a new house, it's just new to us. So with our new home, we are going to do some like facelift type, touch up type, upgradey type things. Now, with this last home we were just in, we basically did a complete overhaul renovation of most of the spaces, and it was great, but I don't feel like doing that this time. And to be honest, this house really doesn't need all of that. It just needs a little bit here, a little bit there. And so one of the things that we're doing is replacing the non-tiled flooring. So there's some, I think it's like laminate or something, and carpet in several of the areas. So we have to replace that and get rid of it because it's a no bueno. I think I'm going again with the luxury vinyl, the LVP, blah, 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 luxury vinyl, plank vinyl, whatever the LVP stands for, but we're going with the vinyl. We did it the last time. I really like it. It's durable. It's easy to maintain, good for the dogs and me and Mr. Mighty playing hockey and other people. I mean, it's just a good type flooring. I'm not putting it over everything like I did the last time. So in the last house, I just did it over everything and made all of the flooring in every space the same. I'm not doing that this time. I'm leaving the tiled areas tiled, and then I'm just going to put this in the other areas. So I got a little bit of work to do with that too, because doggone, it's different tile in the places and spaces. So I got to pick something that will go with a variety of tile. And to be honest, I don't even remember. I remembered the tile that's in the main space. It's like brown-ish. Like, yeah, it's like brown. But for the other ones, I don't know. So I got to get something in between. The tile, the luxury plank vinyl that I have in my home now, it's like, and you guys have seen it in the videos, it is like a grayish brown, and I think I want to go with something like that. And of course, right, they don't have it. That one there is out of, commission. They don't have that one anymore. I would have just got the same thing and put it in there. But they don't have that one anymore, so we got to pick something else. And the guy I spoke with on the phone said, well, we might have something you like even better, from this company and this line. So I'm going to look at it and see. So I'm going to bring you guys along for the ride. It might be a train wreck. I might be like horrible at, filming, but I want to know, what do you think and what do you like? So you're going to have to be sure to communicate in the comments down below. All right, guys, let's go inside and see what we can find. I know I want a wider, longer tile LVP vinyl thing, blah, blah. So I guess I need like a 99-inch by 60-inch. That's what we're going for. So let's see if we can find something. This whole section is luxury vinyl. So
You got your work cut out for you with this one.
We have some work. Let's start looking. We have it narrowed down a little bit. So A, B, C, D, or E.
I don't know. It's such a tough choice.
It's a tough decision. So I'm going to lay them on the ground, on the floor, to see if that helps me out any. All right, it's raining, so I laid them, so you might not be able to hear them, it's a little louder, but anyway, I laid them down and it really does change things. So that's A, which I was leaning towards more, but laying down, I actually like B more. C, D, we eliminated E. And I think these two might be out, and it might be just these two, A and B. Oh my goodness. We've had a newbie come in, and I think he might steal the whole race. I like him a lot.
You can't be serious.
Let me show you. So this guy was pretty much sealing the deal. Then I saw this guy. So, he might be the one to win the chicken dinner.
Oh, you weren't kidding around.
Ooh, laying down, I'm still leaning towards that guy. He's the new A. He is the new A. And he feels more like wood grain than this guy. Has a little something, but this guy really feels like wood. Okay, it's decision time. And I more like what I have in my current home now that I love, more like the newbie on the block that was like, consider me Miss Ma'am, and I did. So I chose, which one do you think? Pause the video, write it in the comments. What you think? What you think I'm gonna pick? I chose, we're going traditional, baby.
What? No way.
Okay, so that was interesting. I went in with one idea in mind, which was basically to get something very similar to what I have now, which was the grayish luxury vinyl plank. And then as I got there, I started looking around, and y'all saw I had all those grays and stuff. And I was like, I just wasn't feeling like, this is it. Like I was gonna get it, but I just wasn't feeling like this is the thing I'm supposed to get. And then I went back around again, and I saw the rugged one. We calling that the rugged one. We calling that the rugged one. So I saw the rugged one, and I was like, he started calling to me like, hey girl, hey, come look at me, come chit chat, Miss Ma'am. And I went over there and I pulled him out and I gave him a once over, and I was like, interesting. Now for the vibe of my current home, I was going more farmhouse chic, more of the subtle, type look. And this house is just not, the new house is not that kind of house, It is more of a traditional carpenter type finish. And so in the backyard, there's a fire pit. There's an axe throwing thing, so this house is saying, hey, don't try to make me, I'm my own thing. I'm my own person. Don't try to make me what was, okay? Come in, give me my whole fair shake to be just who I am, okay? I'm somebody too. You just need to recognize it. And as I'm in there, and since we aren't replacing the tile, it's a very earthy tone, beigeish, brownish tile with some dark hues in it. And for some of the things that I know I'm going to put in it, I was like, we might need to go a little bit more traditional. So the vibe I'm feeling for this house is more boho traditional. So we're going with, you know, like the more wickerish type stuff, wickery, the just a more eclectic look. This house is going to be more eclectic and girly. This house is going to be more girly and with the pretty sparkles and jewels and golds and color, lots of color in this house. So we went with the more traditional flooring. So it's still the luxury vinyl. It's still the wide 9-inch plank and the long 60-inch plank. And another thing that I liked about this one, it was more textured. So it felt like more traditional wood feeling than the other one. And it looked like it just had a little more character. You know, it looked like it was given a little more of what it was supposed to have gave. So I'm excited. I'm excited. Now, the only thing I don't know if I'm going to do the stairs in that same stuff or do something else with the stairs. I don't know about the stairs yet, but yeah, we went rogue. And if I show you the text, I might have to just include it here. The text thread from Troy when I, you know, told him I like just went off the rockers, and he gave me the biz. Y'all see, he gave me the biz. So anywho, I'm excited, and they have it available, so it'll be ready in a couple of weeks when we need it to be installed, and we'll just go from there. So be sure to come back so you can go along this process and journey with me. All right, and be sure to leave me in the comments. Do you think I'm off? Are you supporting your girl? You excited for this new journey and transition and new look of our home? Leave it in the comments below, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.